the VTuber tag will not help you get discovered. And I talk about it on my live stream where I demonstrate exactly why the VTuber tag will not help you with any kind of discovery on Twitch. Okay, here's the thing about the VTuber tag, right? We're starting from the bottom. Look how many VTubers there are in the VTuber tag. Most of these people are not, they're not like people that are memeing like XQC is. Most of these people are VTubers. If you slow this footage down, all you're gonna see are like 99% VTubers. And here's the thing that when people say about discovery on Twitch with the VTuber tag. Here, the thing is, like, you gotta know is that Twitch doesn't give a crap about you, and it's very unfortunate. And it's like with their consistent policies on what they do, it really shows a repeated behavior of just not caring for anyone that doesn't make it on their own, which is really sad. That's basically what it looks like they're doing. And to give you like an idea to establish some kind of precedence, so like what's happened before, is that not too long ago when Valve's Artifact game came out, their card game came out, it was dead on arrival, so no one was streaming it until people started streaming like pornography or like straight up copyright stuff in there as a meme, and then a bunch of people started doing it. And the thing is, Twitch, like, we have to do something about this, and they didn't know how to stop it. So you know what they did? They deleted the Valve Artifact category completely. They just deleted it. Are they going to delete the VTuber tag? I don't think so. But here's the thing. You're not getting the argument that like XQC shouldn't be using the VTuber tag because he's stealing our discovery. Like, I understand where that's coming from, but he's not really. Because if you're like, if you're someone who's under 50 views, because we're still under 50 views right now in the scrolling. If you're under 50 views and you're hoping to get discovered with the VTuber category, it's not going to happen. Because that would mean someone has to click on the tag, right? Oh, there, I just passed. Someone has to click on the tag and then scroll all the way to the bottom. Like you just saw, how long was that? You just saw how long it took to scroll from top to bottom to top. It's just not happening. And the real trick to growing as a VTuber is stop thinking like a VTuber. Think like a content creator. No one's gonna grow off of live streaming alone. You have to make content on other platforms. I'm sorry, like Twitter, like YouTube, other places like that. Because there's so many people that would come in and be like, I saw your video or your post on this other platform. I'm so happy to catch your stream. That's usually what happens. I know this is not my normal kind of video, but I think this is an important thing to talk about. But I would also like to say thank you so much to my patrons on Patreon. Without your support, I would not be able to do basically anything that I do. So thank you so much